Welcome back to Wealth Mastery USA. Today we're breaking down an important money question: debit card versus credit card. Which one should you use? Both have pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which card works best for you. A debit card pulls money directly from your checking account. It's basically like using cash, but in card form. Great for people who want to avoid debt and stick to their budget. Pros of debit cards: no debt, spend only what you have, easy to manage and track expenses, works almost everywhere. Cons of debit cards: no credit score benefits, limited fraud protection compared to credit cards, no rewards or cashback in most cases. A credit card lets you borrow money from the bank up to a set limit. You repay later, either in full or over time with interest. Pros of credit cards: helps build your credit score, stronger fraud protection, rewards, cashback, travel points, emergency backup when you don't have cash. Cons of credit cards: high interest if you don't pay in full, can lead to debt traps if misused, annual fees on some cards, budget control, debit wins, build credit. Credit wins rewards and perks, credit wins overspending risk. Debit is safer. Fraud protection: credit is stronger. If you're just starting with money management, use a debit card to stay disciplined. If you want to build a credit history and earn rewards, use a credit card but pay it off in full every month. Smart strategy: use both. Debit for daily spending, credit for big purchases and rewards. So, debit card versus credit card. The best choice depends on your financial habits. Which card do you use most often? Drop your answer in the comments.